Welcome back, students. In this class, we are going to form a partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary function this phi. So this is of the form phi of u comma v is equal to 0. And here u is equal to, that is x square plus 2yz, and v is equal to y square plus 2zx. To eliminate this phi, what we need to do is, we are using differentiation by using a partial differential equation by using chain rule. Okay. So look at here, what is the rule is, differentiate this phi. Look at here, phi depending on u and v, u and v depending on x, y, z, and z depending on x and y. There is so much relation here. So just differentiate phi with respect to x and y partially. Phi depending on u and v depending on x and y. Phi is composite function of x and y. We are using the partial differential equation of a composite function. That is dou phi by dou x. So what is dou phi by dou x? Dou phi by dou u into dou u by dou x plus dou phi by dou v into dou v by dou x. Phi with respect to u and u with respect to x. Phi with respect to v, v with respect to x. First x is over. Similarly, and look at equal to 0, therefore it will become 0. Similarly, what is phi with respect to y? Same, everything is as it is. Dou phi by dou u and dou u by dou y. Dou phi by dou v into dou v by dou y and is equal to 0. Means dou phi x equal to 0 and dou phi by dou y is equal to 0. Therefore, I want only this expression. From these two, what is dou phi by dou u into dou u by dou x? To transform this plus to right side, minus dou phi by dou v into dou v by dou x, and take this equation, dou phi by dou u into dou u by dou y is equal to, transform to right side, dou phi by dou v into dou v by dou y. Now you call it as 1 and 2. So I am going to take, I am dividing 1 and 2. So 1 by 2 becomes, divide left side separately and right side separately. Dou phi by dou u into dou u by dou x divided by dou phi by dou u into dou u by dou y is equal to minus dou phi by dou v into dou v by dou x divided by minus dou phi by dou v into dou v by dou y. Okay. So dou phi by dou x, dou phi by dou u, dou phi by dou u, and dou phi by dou v, dou phi by dou v get cancelled. What is the result is dou u by dou x divided by dou u by dou y. Dou u by dou x divided by dou u by dou y is equal to dou v by dou x divided by dou v by dou y. Means we need to find out dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou v by dou x and dou u by dou y by using these two and substitute here. Okay. Now let's proceed. We have already, I told you already, phi of u comma v equal to 0. So what is u? To differentiate u and v. Differentiate u and v with respect to x and y partial. What is dou u by dou x with respect to x? X square is 2x. 2yz, you know that z depending on x and y. So 2y is constant. Differentiation of z is dou z by dou x. Similarly, what is dou u by dou y? X is a, with respect to y, x is constant, becomes 0. Remember this one. Here 2 times of, we are going to apply product rule here. First function y, z is dou z by dou y plus z into differentiation of y is 1. Similarly, v with respect to x, y square becomes 0. Next, 2 times of z into x, again we are using product rule. First function z, x is 1 plus x into z is dou z by dou x. Similarly, what is dou v by dou y? With respect to y, y square is 2y. Here 2x is constant, z with respect to y is dou z by dou y. And we can remember that since we know that dou z by dou x is p and dou z by dou y is q, we can use here. So you can substitute these 4 values in this equation. So that if you substitute and express in a particular form, that means you have eliminated phi value. Okay. Now you can call it as some 1. 1 becomes dou u by dou x, value is 2x plus 2y. As I told you, dou z by dou x is p divided by dou u by dou x divided dou u by dou y. 2 times of y, dou z by dou y is q plus 2 into z is equal to, here 2 times of z multiplied plus 2x dou z by dou x is p divided by, this is 2y plus 2x q. So 2 is constant both numerator as well denominator, in left side as well as right side. 2 will get cancelled. So what is left here is x plus y p divided by yq plus z, z plus xp divided by y plus xq. Okay. So further you can cross multiply it to express in particular form. So cross multiply y into x, or first you can write x plus yp into y plus xq is equal to yq plus z into z plus xp. Okay. Now x into y is xy, x into x, x square q, yp into y, y square p xy xy pq is equal to, look at here, yz q yq xp xy pq z square zxp. Okay, xy pq get cancelled on both sides. First I want to write p term, y square p zxp. zxp comes to left side and y square p. In these two, p is common. What is left here? Y square minus zx. Similarly, next go for q. X square is already here, q. Bring this into left side, yz minus yz into q is equal to z square. Transform xy to right side, it will become minus x. So this is the required partial differential equation. Thank you so much.